As the year winds down, it's time for one of the most critical steps in your business bookkeeping: closing your books. Closing the books locks your financial data for the past year so that no one, not even you, can accidentally edit, delete, or add a transaction that would change your finalized tax numbers. It draws a hard line in the sand between last year and this year. Today, I'm going to show you how to securely lock your books step by step using the latest dashboard layout. Let's get to it. Before you flip the switch to close the books, you have to complete 3 quick prereqs. First, make sure your bank feed under All Apps, Accounting is completely cleared out and sorted. Second, reconcile every single bank and credit card account to ensure your screens match your physical statements. Finally, review your profit and loss report to make sure there are no blatant miscategorizations. Once your numbers are bulletproof, you're ready to lock them down. To find the closing tool, head all the way up to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Master Gear icon. Under the first column labeled Your Company, click on Account and Settings. Inside your Settings menu, look at the left sidebar and click on the Advanced tab. Right at the top of this page, you'll see the Accounting section. Glide all the way over to the far right of that specific row and click the text option that says Edit to expand your hidden choices. Now, flip the Close the Books toggle switch to On. Right below it, set your official closing date to the very last day of the tax year you are wrapping up. Here is a major pro tip. Under the Closing Options dropdown, do not just select View a Warning. Choose Allow Changes after viewing a warning and entering a password. If you don't set a password, it's way too easy to accidentally click through a basic system warning and alter an old invoice or expense later. Creating a strict password keeps your tax data totally locked down. Once your password is typed in and written down somewhere secure, click the green Save button right inside that window. The section will automatically close up, and your settings are instantly live. Your financials for that year are now completely sealed up. If your accountant ever needs to make a year-end adjustment, you can simply hand them that password so they can make the entry. If this guide helped you securely wrap up your business tax year, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.